Here's our anti-aging workout. To tuck and tighten up the tummy, we've got to do some abdominal exercises. So let's begin our natural tummy tuck by abdominals. Okay, first of all, I want you to get your towel and place it right back here to really help with your neck. A lot of people who do sit-ups say it hurts their neck. So now I've come up with a solution to place this towel here. And you know what this does? It helps to relax the neck because as you can see, the head is resting on the towel. So you're using 100% of abdominal strength. And that's exactly what I want you to do. Say yes to good abs. That's right. Begin nice and slow. Feel the movement of your abs. This is a great way to tone and tighten up the abs. That's right. Lift and lower. You can do this. I know you can. It's worth it. Let's remember a few things. First of all, exhale as you go up. Blow it all out. Exhale, deflate that balloon. Pretend your abs are like a balloon, and as you come up, it's flat, it's deflating. That's right. Second of all, make sure the small of the back is flat on the floor. And third of all, always relax the neck. Good. We've got 2 more. Last one. Okay, hold it up there. Hold it up there. Little lifts. Little lifts. Hold it. Little tucks. Little tucks. Remember, just relax your neck. Let the stomach do the workout. You got it. Good. 2 more. Last one. And relax. And to the side. Twist, release. Twist, release. Up and down. Up and down. This is now working the obliques, the sides of the waistline. So important for a nice, trim, slim waistline. A slimmer you. That's right. 2 more. Last one. Hold, twist. Beautiful. Turn to the other side and let's go. Twist, release. Twist, release. Great. This is working the waist. Twist it. Exhale, inhale. Think about exhaling. Twist. You got it. Twist it. Good. 2 more. Really twist. Twist. Great. Last one. Great. Okay, relax. Now your whole upper body is totally relaxed. Now place the towel between your knees. We're now going to work on the inner thighs plus the lower tummy right here. Press the inner thighs together. And ready? Lift and lower. Lift, 2, and lower. Notice where my hands are. Try it this way. It's a little harder. It's more challenging, but I bet you could do it. This is working the lower abs, something we all need. That's right. I've had 2 babies, so I know if any of you have had a baby or abdominal surgery, the area you need extra help is below the belly button, and that's what this exercise does. It actually targets right below the belt, the lower end of your rectus abdominis. And this towel is good to keep here. You know why? You're working deeper inside the pelvic bone area, all the muscles that surround the pelvic area, which also helps you with bladder control. And as you go up, I want you to perform a Kegel, tightening of the walls down there. Come on, think about a Kegel. Good, squeeze everything in the down below your waist. That's it, 2 more. Last one, and roll up. Let me see that smiling face, roll up. That's it, good. Now, keeping the towel straight in there, squeezing your inner thighs together. Let's work on that waist. The sides of the waistline feel so good. Squeeze that towel between your knees. You know why? It's doing 2 things. It's working your inner thighs and it's working deep inside the muscle tissue below the belly button. That's right, the abs. For those of you at advanced, pick up your feet. Try that one. Good. Keep going. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Welcome to Yoga Light. Now it's time to find peace in our stressful world. Your own little peace through some stretching to help to relax you. So let's begin. Sit up nice and tall. I've got a pillow back here sitting right on the pillow. You know why? Because it helps you sit up taller. It picks up the sitting bones. That's right there. Let's take a nice cleansing breath together. Inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Try to calm your body now. Calm the spirit within you. Inhale through the nose, and now try to exhale out the nose. Beautiful. Now lift your arms up over your head, clasp at the top, and let's begin a full stretch called mermaid. Lift up and lean to the side, stretching the sides of your waistline. Feel that wonderful stretch through the whole body. Feel the quietness of your body now, the stillness. Feel a little reflective now. Just try to put yourself in that state of mind. Lift up and to the other side. Stretch. Feel that body reaching. Stretch the body. Find a place in your house where you can feel peaceful. That's right. Let some sun come in for the day. Feels good. You know, light gives you some extra energy. Keeps you bright and sunny and happy feeling. Lift up and relax. Beautiful. Now I want you to sit all the way down. Sit straight on your pillow. Sit up nice and tall and lift up and exhale out. And as you exhale out, I want you to lean forward. Lean forward. Hold the stretch. You should feel a stretch in the buttock muscles. That's right. And lean straight up. Beautiful. Stretch one leg out to the side. Flex your toe. Reach your hand through and down. And lift up and over. Feel the wonderful stress that's just leaving your body. Your body's now free of any tension. Totally relaxed. Hold that stretch. Lift it up. Use your abs to get you up. Remember, the centering is through the abdominals. Let's switch legs. The other leg comes in. And stretch. Lean into the stretch. Hold the stretch. Take nice deep breaths. Beautiful. Smile. You use great muscles in your face when you smile, giving you the natural cheekbones, making that muscle in the cheekbones. A frown brings your face down. We're trying to do anti-aging exercises to lift everything, and a smile lifts your face. It also lifts your spirits and all of those around you. And a smile is free, isn't that great? Now straddle your legs, lean your body into one side, and stretch over. Oh, that feels so good. Excellent for circulation in your legs. And the other side. And as we age, our veins become a little weakened. So it's really important to do good stretches to really help to relax those legs. Lift up, go out and make it a wonderful day. Smile.